Sa ibang balita, aabot sa 70 billion pesos ang inilaan ng pamahalaan ngayong taon para sa digital transformation ng national at local government agencies. Ayon sa Department of Budget and Management, gagamitin ang pondong ito para sa mga makabagong sistema tulad ng automated payrolls, digitized permit applications at real-time feedback platforms. Kasama rin dito ang pagpapatupad ng Integrated Financial Management Information System para gawing mas mabilis at transparent ang paggamit ng pondo.
This program aims to enhance transparency, responsiveness, and the ease of doing business at all levels. This is in line with this, the DBM has earmarked a total of almost 70 billion pesos this year to support the government's digital transformation agenda, ensuring that both national and local agencies are empowered to deliver smarter, more accessible public services through the use of modern technology. It's not enough that the national government is pushing for digitalization.